going to do? Is that your cake?
Yeah.
You going to smash it?
Yes, I want that.
Happy birthday, Amira! How old are you?
3 years.
4 na po.
4 is
4 years old. Okay, smash your cake. Wait lang. Alexa, play Happy Birthday.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, smash na malakas.
Happy birthday.
Lakas. Oops. Smash.
Dito na ako.
O sige, sa harap ka, smash. Ooh. Alexa, play Happy Birthday.
You can say eyebrow.
Okay, let's do this.
Go, go, go.
2.
Sige, kain mo.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Yummy? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Lakas, anak. Bugs, bugs.
Bakit? Nalalabas ba dyan?
You need help?
Yeah. Yeah. I need that. Who is that? What the? Chop.
Oh, smash it more. If you like. Yeah, oh, that's okay na. Chocolate yan, anak.
Oh.
You open this. This one is chocolate din. Yung...
This
Wow.
one, your favorite.
Thank you. That's my favorite.
Ano talaga?
Coin. My favorite coin.
Wow, there's a coin. And there's makulit. Oh. How about your gift? Can you check on your gift po? Check madali. Basahin natin kanino galing. Kanino? That's mami la. O yung iba. Sabi mo muna kanino, anak.
Ato kay Mami, ato kay Daddy, tapos ato kay Mars, tapos ato kay Egon, tapos ato kay Muya, tapos ato kay
Tito Lo.
Tito Yon, tapos ato kay Mama, ato kay
Mama and Dada.
tapos si Mama, tapos si Dada, tapos ato
Daddy Lo.
Daddy Yon,
O yung kay Lolo at saka kay Lola. Saan?
at kay Yoya,
Yan kay Lolo. Blue.
kay Yoyo, tapos ato si Lola.
Okay. Yay! Okay, go inside na lang. Tuga mo. Oh, you say thank you, Dada. Ikaw wala?
Gawin ka muna, try muna.
Ikaw din. You're okay. Okay. Go na. Go, go, go. Wala na na. One lang yun. Open mo na. May naiinggit. Ikaw din. Yay! Oh! Dali, bilisan mo daw. Wow, ang sarap. Anong flavors?
Banana caramel, pastillas, cotton candy, chocolate root.
Cotton milk.
Ano nga po to?
Pastillas.
Yan na lang sa akin. Yummy? Is it yummy?
Next, the golden banana from
Lakas, Ra. Ay, yun! Happy birthday to you! Laki ng cake mo, oh! What? What? Ayun na, i-help ka ni Dada. Ah, that I don't know. Hindi ko alam eh. Ganyan lang eh. Ano ginagawa? Ha? Opo. Para nagda-dance eh. Nagda-dance. What's that? It's a plant. Welcome to your house. Wow, I like your house. Hey guys! Oh. Sakit? Ha? Again? We'll go back.
Packed with good bacteria called probiotics, which help keep our tummies healthy and strong. Here's another fun one. Yogurt is a great source of calcium, which keeps our bones and
Back to opening of gifts.
Sige. What's that? Kay Mami la yan? What's that? Rumi! Wow! You say thank you, Mami la. Where are you going? Oh, next. Aba, done na daw yun. Next. What's that? Daddy Lo. Sige, open. So then, mag-open ka. Wow, what's that? Rumi again. Wow. Wow. Oh, put it again there. Done. Okay. So next. Lola Bebe. Open. Sira na ang gift ni Mani kay Egon. Oh. sige, sira. Need help? Kaya? Ay, you got it. Oh, wow, what's that? Ay, may nag-open din. Oh, no.
What's that?
What's that, Amira?
Daddy,
The Gabby doll house. Wow! You like it? Okay, I'll put it there. Yung mga done na. Oh, check mo na yung kay Egon. What's that? Wow, tabi natin yung mga letter. Nandito. Yung kay Mami la wala letter dito lang. What's that? Wow. Si Mani, oh. Lagay mo na ulit doon. Oh, what's that? Kay Lolo? What is that? What's that? Gabby again? Gabby dollhouse what? Wow! Ears? Napipindot. Okay, oh next. How about gift ni Egon? What's that?
Prize.
Ang dami.
Sirain mo na.
Gift.
Tatapos ko na yung
Ano ba? Maayos nga siya, di ba? Ayaw niya lang. Ayaw niya na magulo. Tinan mo. Ikaw. Tinan mo, mag-open ka ng gift. Oh. What's that? Ano gift ni Egon?
Wow!
Who's that? Handy Pos. Next. Handy. Ay, Handy Pos.
Ay, nagustuhan niya yung gift ni Egon.
Last na yan.
Last yan.
Yung mga small muna. Yung kay Mars.
Ay, yung kay Mars.
Yung Mars. Ay, kay Mani. Uli. Ay, kay Ninang Angel yun.
Dami regalo nila, no? Dami gift. Hindi ba nagbablog ka? Thank you, Mars. I like it.
Tuturuan ka ni Lola. Wow, luto.
May hugas-hugas yan. Tingnan mo.
Hugas ka?
Tingnan mo sa harap.
Wow. Ay, tingnan niyo.
Oh, galing. Oh, ano sasabihin mo? Dali, nagbablog ka. Mars.
Okay. Lagay na lang. Ang dami na. Ang dami na. Oh. Books. Oh, next. Yung kay Ninang Angel. Hindi. Kinabisado lang niya kanina. Yung sinabi ko kung kanino galing. Nakabisado niya. Hindi talaga niya yung sisiraan. Okay, go!
Ang dami ko eh. Ayan, ano yan?
Wow! Pagkain. Oh, you say thank you, Ninang Angel.
Nakasan mo?
What's that? Lutuan. Okay. Lalagay na naman sa dan. Oh, next.
This one is
That's from Mama. Sirain mo na. Sa gitna.
Saan sirain mo?
Nak, sa gitna. Dito. Love, sa gitna. Listen. Come
Ayan
here.
na, may tutulong na sa'yo. Open.
Come here.
I.
Pwede siya sirain, anak. Ayun. Ah. Go, go.
Girl,
Oh, go. Open mo na. Tingnan mo kung ano yan.
yeah.
What's that? Blanket. Who's that? Who's in your kumot? Gabi. Oh, next.
Mami, hindi na ako kukumat yan.
Yan na sa'yo.
Sige.
Okay po. Next.
Let's face what again.
Okay, oh, I'll help you again.
Ano yan?
Okay, Mama again.
Ha? 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 What's that? Boomer cat and bag.
Meerkat bag. Wow. May bago ka ng school bag.
School bag.
Gagamitin mo ba yan sa school?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, next kay Tito John. Tito Lo. Yan.
Basta.
May ingit si Avon eh.
Ba't yun naiinggit? Sabi niya ate.
Oh, birthday niya, siya
Vincent.
naman na may gift eh, no?
What? Who's that? Ah!
What's that?
What's that? Rumi what? Rumi hair. You say thank you, Tito Lo. Ah, kay Tito Lo yan galing. Tito Lo?
Ano sasabihin niya?
Ha? Sa'yo to, anak. Hindi pang mama to. Biglang yung naka-picture. O, yung kay Tito, ay, kay Daddy Lo muna. Daddy Lo.
Hindi.
Yes. Sino nanalo sa inyo ni Daddy Lo kahapon sa laban? PS5.
Ako.
Ikaw? Nakailang sapak ka?
Madami.
Madami. Si Daddy Lo. One lang sapak sa'yo. Talo siya.
Yeah.
Ano kaya yan?
Sabi si Tita Sa, paiyak ikaw si Tita Awin sa game.
Paiyakin mo si Tito Awin dun sa game.
Yes,
Sino natalo?
Siya.
Tita Awin.
Si Tito Awin.
Manyo ni ang Tita Awin laban na.
Ah, one only laban.
Oh.
That?
What's out?
What?
What's out?
House.
A puppy. A puppy.
Yung sa papi?
There the.
Wow. Ayaw niya talaga sirain ng mga balot. Ayaw niya nga.
Oo, ano sasabihin?
Say thank you, Daddy Lo.
Thank you, Daddy. I'm so big.
So big.
And next,
Next, kanino galing yan?
Last one.
Dada.
Dada Ay, sorry. Thank you so much. Wow! Wow, Egon, you have a Gabby dollhouse. Ah, share. Thank you.
Kasi si Shea, sabi niya pag may gift ko sa birthday niya.
Kinakalkal niya. Oh, bawal ka mainggit, kundi di ka bibigyan. My gifts! Oh, show your gifts now. Thank you, everyone! Sabi mo na.
Thank you, everyone.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, love. Ay, you're welcome, Maui. You're welcome, Gabi. Okay na? No more vlogs? Okay ka na?
Yeah, I got it. It's